Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Catherine. If you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different from my usual video, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a DIY ring light for about $25. So this is the ring light that I'm going to be showing you guys how to make today. I just can't justify spending $300 or $200 or however much like a real ring light is just to get some nice lighting for a channel that at this point is just for fun, and I really don't recommend investing that much money into a channel if you're not making any money off of it. So I watched some videos, did some research, and made my own little DIY ring light for $25. I didn't come up with this idea completely on my own. I did watch quite a few videos to get some ideas, and this is sort of a combination of a few different videos that I watched. So I did want to throw that out there that I didn't invent this and I'm not claiming to invent this. I don't want anyone to get mad at me. You can make this for about $25 using supplies that you can get at stores like Walmart or on Amazon, and using some supplies that you probably already have around the house. So before we get started, I'm just going to give you a second to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I do post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday, mostly makeup videos, but I also do the occasional photography video as well because I am a photographer. With that being said, let's get started. Alright, so we have here a wreath frame. I got the 18-inch one, a floral craft ring, and I also got an 18-inch one of this, 16 feet of daylight white LED rope. I already unboxed this just to make sure that the lights are working before I go ahead and create my light. Aluminum foil, zip ties, scissors, and I got a command hook because I'm going to be hanging my light from a command hook instead of putting it on a stand. So I went ahead and got this like cute little diamondy one, but that's totally optional. You can get a cheaper one if you want. So I'm starting out with the floral craft ring, and I'm going to be wrapping this in aluminum foil. So that's what that looks like. You can secure this with some tape if you want. I think it's pretty secure on its own. Just make sure it's really pressed down in the back. You can see that nice reflection that that's going to give you. For the next step, you're going to need the wreath frame and the LED rope and your zip ties. So I'm going ahead and detaching my LED rope from the actual AC/DC plug just so this doesn't get in the way. And I'm leaving this end out. This is not the end that I'm going to be starting with. So I'm starting along the outside of the wreath, and I'm choosing to do this on the part where it's concave this way. So you're just lining this up with each little section and then zip tying it to secure it. Alright, and once you have 3 layers of light around this whole thing, you're just gonna like tuck this little tail behind. This is sort of gonna be your extension cord. That way you don't actually have to buy an extension cord depending on where your outlet is. And you're just gonna go ahead and cut all these zip ties. Then taking your light, lining it up with your foil circle. And you're zip tying your foil to the light. Alright, so I secured this in 4 different places on each side of the wreath, and it's on there pretty darn good. Doesn't feel like it's going to move like at all. So I'm just going to cut these zip ties off and reattach the AC/DC plug. And now we have a ring light. Let's go test it out. Alright, so this is my bathroom, just to give you guys an idea of the space that I'm putting this light in. And this is what the light looks like all hung up. I'm hanging it from a command hook just on my mirror, so it's right in the center of the 2 other lights that I use when I'm filming. So this is what the light looks like before. This is the light with just the 2 side strips of light that I had going on, no fill light in the center of the mirror. And this is with the DIY ring light plugged in, adding some fill light onto my face. And just so you can see what it looks like, this is what the room would look like if I only had the ring light on. I do sort of like this lighting, however I don't think that this provides like enough lighting in the background. It still just looks like I'm sitting in the dark, because I am. But hopefully that comparison helps you. You can see how the light adds to the scene and different ways you can use the light. I still really recommend having another light source for your background. No matter how nice your center light is or the light that's like directly on your face, but that's just me. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I do post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday, so hopefully I will see you guys next time. Bye!